With the widespread application of 4G and 5G mobile networks, more and more households and businesses are choosing LTE routers as their network solutions. Generally, LTE routers automatically select frequency bands when stationed. If in urban areas, there is no need to worry about network quality. However, in remote areas, the local operator may provide fewer frequency bands for mobile signals, resulting in poorer signal quality and automatic selection of frequency bands that cannot provide the fastest or most stable connection. In such cases, some optimization is needed to reduce the time devices spend searching for signals and to improve network connection quality and speed. Locking LTE bands is a commonly used optimization method. Next, I will use the WoMaster WR315 router as an example to explain how to set it up. First, open a browser and enter the device's IP address. Enter the username and password on the login page. Click Login to access the device. Click on the Cellular menu on the left side. On the Cellular status page, we can view the current network situation. From here, we can see that the current network search mode is set to Auto. The current network type is 5G, and the frequency band used by the network is N78. So, how do we proceed with the settings? First, click on the Cellular Settings page. Find the Network Type option. Click on the drop-down menu. Here, we can see several network type options that the current device supports, such as 2G only, 3G only, LTE only, NR5G, and LTE plus NR5G. If set to LTE only, the device will only search for LTE frequency bands. In the band selection section, we can set the frequency bands used by a certain network type. For example, for GSM, we can set it to 900 and 1800 MHz, with two options available. If we want to lock the device to the LTE network and use the B3 frequency band, we need to set the network type to LTE only. Then, set the band and click Submit to apply the setting. This way, the device will use the B3 frequency band for LTE band locking. It's important to note that before setting the frequency band lock, you need to understand the frequency bands supported by the local telecommunications operator. This requires you to contact the local operator for confirmation. We can confirm whether the device has connected to LTE and is using the B3 frequency band through the Cellular Status page. From the current service type, we can see that the device is currently connected to LTE band 3, indicating that it is using the B3 frequency band. This is how to set up the WoMaster router for frequency band locking.